Students, Bio Class 10 2025-26 board examination important question. This one, photosynthesis reaction for MCQ, working of stomata and the guard cell. The third one is the working of mucus, gastric juice, that is HCl, pepsin in stomach. Also the complete digestion take place in small intestine. Importance of or the function of villi. Breakdown of glucose in respiratory system. Now the double circulation working of heart veins have valves and the blood pressure is the part of circulation, that is circulation of blood. Nephron, kidney, that is a figure based question. This one, nephron, that is the filtering unit of kidney. Hemodialysis, how it differ from the original, that is natural dialysis. Neuron structure is very important, including synapse, reflex action. It is a flow chart of reflex action. It is just bypass the brain. Okay. The next question is human brain, working of human brain, then function, that like it is the three parts: forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain contains HTC, that is hypothalamus, thalamus and cerebrum. It is the site for voluntary action and controlled by motor nerves. On the midbrain, involuntary action, and the hindbrain, it contains PCM, pons, cerebellum and medulla. Cerebellum is control the posture and balance of the body, as well as the medulla is for swallowing and vomiting like conditions. Also it's regulate the breathing rate. Plant hormones and names and their function is also important, and including you have also revised the tropism, that is phototropism, heterotropism, zygotropism, and these one also the geotropism, okay, and chemiotropism. Control and coordination in the endocrine system is very important. Also the feedback mechanism by the pancreas to release insulin to control the blood pressure. The last is the seeds, cotyledons, that is food store, polymer for future shoot, radicle for the future root, and also the define the seeds and fruits, flower, and the pollination and the fertilization is going on. Now this one, the female reproductive system, and this is the label diagram of, and also the fertilization, hormones excreted by the ovaries. Placenta, how the function of placenta, maturation cycle, when they start, that is menarche, and the last is menopause. And the contraceptive methods, female feticide and the STD disease. Okay. Now variations, traits, alleles, Mendel laws, dominant and recessive traits, monohybrid, dihybrid, also the genotype and phenotype, and what are the characteristics in F1 and F2 generation. The sex determination in the human being, probability of girl and boy child is very important, this one. 14, that is the tropic level, that is the fourth, not more than fourth stage or the fourth tropic level. Food chain, 10% rule, and importance of the food web. This one, food chain 10% rule is applicable, and the last is biomagnification, and also the revise the ozone layer depletion. Okay, and if the also the role of the ultraviolet rays on the ozone layer formation. Okay, thank you, best of luck.